1. Gather everything you need: towel, hairbrush, clothes, etc. Fold up your clothes neatly, place them next to the shower, and line up all of your things. This saves time because you can quickly get dressed and prepared for the day or night. 2. Avoid turning on music. You might tell yourself only this little bit, but it is easy to get lost up in your daydreams. 3. Turn the water on while you are undressing if it will take a while to heat up. The hot water also helps to open your pores. 4. Get right to shampooing your hair when you get in the shower. Most girls waste time in the very beginning of their shower because they take too long savoring the warm water. 5. Wash your body while shampoo is still in your hair. This gives your shampoo time to seep into your scalp. 6. Rinse the shampoo out of your hair while also rinsing the soap off your body. 7. Wash your face. Keep your face wash on your face for at least 30 seconds to let it cleanse your pores. 8. Apply shaving cream to your legs and shave quickly, only if you shave, but be careful not to cut yourself. It is best to turn the shower off while doing this, as it saves water. You might be a little cold at first, but think of the planet and your water bill. 9. Dampen your hair so it is easier to condition. 10. Condition your hair. When you are done, let it sit while you brush and floss your teeth in the shower. Be sure to have a cup so you can rinse out your toothpaste. 11. Turn the water to a cold setting if you wish. This closes your pores so bacteria can't access it. 12. Dry off. Get out of the shower and begin to dry yourself. Start at the top. This way, no water will drip down from your neck or back onto your legs, forcing you to dry the already dry parts off. Also, remember to pat your face rather than rubbing it dry with a soft towel. This irritates your skin. 13. Apply lotion after your shower to get your body moisturized. But don't apply deodorant. Wait at least 30 minutes. The reasoning for this is because your deodorant has chemicals that are only supposed to be used on top of your skin, not the inside. 14. Perform your regular morning or night routine. 15. Repeat daily.